Good evening everyone. Welcome to day 17 and in this session we will be going to discuss about the new chapter surface area and volume and the terms related to surface area volume, formulas related to surface area and volume. Also when we need to find the volume and we need to find the total surface area, curved surface area and we need to subtract the triangle, that is area of circle, all we will be going to discuss. Let us solve the question. From a solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter and radius 0.7 centimeter. Now they are talking about a solid cylinder. If it is a solid cylinder, then a cylinder is packed from bottom and top also. The word solid here refers to the cylinder is completely packed. It is not having any hollow space. Now, cylinder of height 2.4. Height they given you 2.4 and radius is 0.7. Radius is 0.7 centimeter. Continue. A conical cavity. They are talking about the cone. Conical cavity of the same height and it is having the same height as cylinder. Height and same radius is hollowed out. From the cylinder we are hollowing out. We are taking out the conical cavity. Now we have taken out the conical cavity from the cylinder. Same radius. Followed by the volume and the total surface area of the remaining solid. Now listen here. To find the remaining volume of the remaining solid. Now, for example, a complete packed cylinder is there. In that cylinder, we are taking out the cone. If we are taking out the cone, then let us consider that complete full of cylinder water is there. In that water, now we are taking out the conical cavity. Then some of water will come out of the cylinder. How much water will come out of the cylinder? That is capacity of the cone. So we need to subtract volume of cylinder minus volume of a cone. Let us do it. Volume equal to volume of remaining solid is equals to, now volume of cylinder minus, we are subtracting it from volume of cone. Volume of cylinder में हम क्या निकल रहे हैं? Volume of cone. Now what is your volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h. Volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substitute it. Pi value 22 by 7. Radius is 0.7 whole square. Height is 2.4 minus 1 by 3 as it is. Pi value 22 by 7. Radius is 0.7 whole square. Height is again 2.4. In both the terms, what is common? 22 by 7 is common and 0.7 whole square is common. Right, 2.4 is also common. Left with the 1 minus 1 by 3, which implies, now 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 2.4. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 3 minus 1 by 3, which implies, now 7 ones are 7, 0.1s are. Left with the 22 into 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 7 can be written as 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. Now 2.4 can be written as 24 by 10. Left with the 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Right. Now cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 8s are 24. Now it is left with the 22 into 7 into 8 into 2 divided by 1000. Now we need to multiply. 8 7s are 56. 56 into 2 is 6 to the 12. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 112. 22 into 112 divided by 1000. Now 112 into 22. 2 to the 4, 2, 2. Plus 2 to the 4, 2, 2. 4, 6, 4, 2. 2, 4, 6, 4 we got. 2, 4, 6, 4 divided by 1000. Then it will be 2.464 centimeter cube. Unit will be in terms of cube. So 2.464 centimeter cube. 0.464. This is the volume of the remaining solid. Now to find volume of we need to find total surface area of the remaining solid. To find total surface area of the remaining solid, let us erase this part first. Now to find total surface area of the remaining solid, listen here. What is the total surface area of the remaining solid? For example, Initially, a cylinder was there, complete cylinder was there, it was completely packed. From the completely packed, from one end we are taking out the conical part. If we are taking out the conical part from outside, what are the areas we can look at here? We can look the complete curved surface area of a cylinder. Yes or no? Yes, we can look at the complete curved surface area of cylinder. Why we are not taking total surface area of cylinder? Because upper part is hollowed out. That is, cone is hollowed out, then upper part is also hollowed. Now, CSA of the cylinder plus bottom is there still. Only upper part is hollowed, then bottom is there. Then area of circle plus one more quantity that we can look into it. It is curved surface area of your cone. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of a circle. Now, total surface area of solid equal to CSA of cylinder plus area of circle plus CSA of cone plus CSA of cone. Now, what is your CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH plus. Next, area of circle is pi r square. Area of CSA of cone is pi r f. Here I need to find the value of L. What is L? L is your slant height. Slant height will be found by L equal to under root r square plus h square. L equal to under root. What is your r value? R is your radius. Radius we are having 0.7 plus h is height. Height is 2.4. 0.7 is 0.49 plus 24 square is 576. That is 5.76. 5.76 plus 0.49 will be 9, 15, 7, 8, 19, 11, 12, 5, 12, 6.25. Under root 6.25. Under root 6.25 is your 2.5 centimeter. Now I got L value as a 2.5 centimeter. Now you need to substitute. Right now 2 into pi value 22/7. Radius we are having 0.7. Height is 2.4 plus pi value again 22/7. Radius is 0.7 into 0.7 plus pi value 22/7 into radius 0.7 and L is 2.5. Now take the common 22/7, 0.7, 22/7 and 0.7 is common. Now left with the 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. Now 7 on the 7, 0.1. It can also be written as 22 into 1 by 10. Now 2.4 into 2 will be 4 to the 8, then 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. Let us calculate 22 into, add it, 4.8, 0.7, 2.5. It will be 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got 8. 22 into 8 into 10. 22 8 is 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Therefore, 176 by 10. It will be 17.6 centimeter square because area will be in terms of square. So 17.6 centimeter square. Thank you. Now, what we found out? Volume of the remaining solid as well as total surface area of the remaining solid. Now, for volume, what we are doing? From the volume of cylinder minus volume of cone we are taking out. That is why volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Now, for example, total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area means area they are talking about, the area. Now, in the total surface area, we can look that down part is still there. So, area of circle. Now, sidewise, curved surface area of cylinder. Again, I can look into the cone. So, curved surface area of a cone.